Silent, mysterious, misunderstood. These words often shadow one of nature's most ancient and enigmatic creatures, the snake. Snakes have slithered across the earth for over 100 million years, predating many dinosaurs and outlasting countless predators. Their legless form and silent movements have inspired both awe and fear throughout human history. But snakes are not villains. They're masterpieces of evolution, equipped with extraordinary survival tools. From ocean depths to mountain peaks, they play a vital, often overlooked role in ecosystems worldwide. Join us as we peel back the myths and journey into their world of astonishing senses and ecological importance. Here are 11 mind-blowing facts that might just change the way you see these remarkable reptiles. Snakes are true pioneers, thriving in deserts, rainforests, oceans, grasslands, and even cities. Their adaptability is unmatched, found everywhere except Antarctica, where the cold is too extreme. From the tiny Barbados thread snake to the colossal reticulated python, snakes have conquered nearly every corner of the globe. Their presence is a silent reminder of nature's power to endure. No matter where you look, snakes are part of the landscape. They are the ultimate survivors. Snakes may lack external ears, but they're far from deaf. They sense vibrations through the ground, picking up the faintest tremors with their jawbones. This unique system lets them detect predators and prey long before they come into view. For snakes, the earth itself is alive with sound. Their world is one of subtle signals and silent warnings. It's a primal way of listening, one that keeps them a step ahead. The flickering tongue of a snake is a marvel of evolution. It collects chemical particles and delivers them to the Jacobson's organ, a specialized scent detector. Because the tongue is forked, snakes can smell in stereo, pinpointing the direction of scents. This gives them a three-dimensional map of their surroundings. It's a critical advantage for hunting and survival. For snakes, scent is as vivid as sight. The Gaboon viper's strike is a feat of speed faster than a human blink. In just 0.03 of a second, it can strike, inject venom, and retreat. Its fangs, nearly 2 inches long, deliver a massive dose of potent venom. This combination of speed and weaponry makes it a master ambush predator. The Gaboon viper is the embodiment of deadly precision. In the world of predators, few can match its efficiency. For some snakes, darkness is no obstacle. Pit vipers, pythons, and boas have heat-sensing pits that detect infrared radiation. This lets them see the body heat of prey, even in total darkness. Their thermal vision gives them a powerful edge when hunting at night. In the dark, they are nearly unstoppable. A snake's movement is powered by a complex system of bones and muscles. Hundreds of vertebrae and ribs give them strength and flexibility. Their muscles push against the ground, propelling them forward with precision. This same control lets them coil, constrict, and swallow prey whole. Their bodies are built for power and control. It's a masterpiece of anatomical engineering. The reticulated python is the world's longest snake, reaching over 33 feet. These giants rely on sheer strength, not venom, to subdue prey. They wrap powerful coils around animals as large as deer or wild pigs. With each breath their prey takes, the python tightens its grip. Sometimes they even overpower crocodiles. They are true giants of the reptile world. Snake venom is one of nature's most potent weapons, hemotoxic, neurotoxic, or cytotoxic. But this deadly cocktail is also a source of healing. Scientists have turned venom proteins into life-saving drugs for heart disease, blood pressure, and even cancer. In the right hands, venom can cure as well as kill. It's a double-edged sword, dangerous yet full of promise. Nature's most feared substance is also one of its most valuable. Snakes don't unhinge their jaws, they use extraordinary flexibility. Their lower jaw is split in two, joined by elastic ligaments, allowing each side to move independently. Flexible connections let them open wide, swallowing prey much larger than their heads. It's a feat of stretching, not breaking. Their jaws are marvels of adaptation. As snakes grow, they shed their skin in a process called ecdysis. Shedding removes parasites, heals wounds, and renews their protective scales. Young snakes shed often, older ones less so. Each shed is a vital act of renewal, keeping them healthy and pristine. This cycle continues throughout their lives. Shedding is their secret to staying strong. Snakes are essential to healthy ecosystems. They control rodent populations, protecting crops and limiting disease. Their absence would cause rodent numbers to explode, harming agriculture and spreading illness. Snakes are also prey for many predators, linking the food chain. Far from villains, they are vital guardians of balance. Their role is irreplaceable. Snakes captivate and challenge our perceptions. They are miracles of evolution, vital threads in Earth's biodiversity. To understand them is to appreciate the complexity of nature. Snakes are not monsters but masters of survival. Their presence signals a healthy, balanced wild. Which fact amazed you most? Comment below, like, and subscribe for more wildlife wonders from Visual Education. The world of snakes is just the beginning. Join us for more.